mirror so you can watch what's going on. You can hold the mirror. You can see yourself getting your face on, okay? First you're going to get your fur. So pretty. Such a pretty puppy.
No, she's gonna hurt your face. You wanna look like Spider-Man? You want your face painted like Bubba's?
Let's see. Let's give you some puppy ears. So pretty. Here, let's see puppy ears on this side. Wonderful puppy. Now let's have our nose. You're so pretty. Those are your spots. She does look so cute. Okay, now I'm gonna do your eyeshadow. Yes. Can you close your eyes? Good. Now don't open. Don't open. I'm gonna dry it as soon as your eyeshadow's on. Don't open. Don't open. The other side. Don't open. Don't open. Don't open. Don't open. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, what a beautiful puppy now. Such a pretty puppy. Okay, now you have she's gonna be a puppy. Now we're gonna do your puppy mouth, okay? Puppy mouth. Okay, don't move. Don't move yet. Don't try to look yet. Don't try to see yet. Okay. Okay, look right at the camera. Happy birthday, Makenna. Say happy birthday. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.